Today we're showing you a 2016 Kubota M5-111. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Also comes with a Kubota LA 1854 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 600 hours, has 105 horsepower. It's a very sharp tractor, very well equipped, which we'll show you. It's got a nice bucket on the front here. Skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Also is plumbed to operate a grapple or bale squeeze, anything to that nature. Front grill guard is here. Paint is good on the tractor and loader. Tires are good. Got the corner post exhaust, mirrors on both sides, doors on both sides. Rear tires are also in good shape. Front and rear work lights on the cab, triple rear remotes. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery, so you can buy with confidence. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. We also take trade-ins. Simply email or text us some pictures and we can quote your trade pretty quickly. Tractor has a power reverser transmission which allows direction change without clutching. Has the buddy seat here to the left of the operator. Full suspension seat here for the operator. Four-wheel drive lever here to the left of the seat. 12-speed transmission. You've got 6 gears and then a high-low range. Park gear also over there to the far right. Hydraulic 3-point and PTO controls also to the right. And you got your joystick here for your loader, which includes the button to operate that grapple function. Up top you've got climate controls. Looks like the previous owner removed his radio, but that can obviously easily be added again. Does have the visibility glass in the cab with the sun visor. It's a nice, clean, all-around tractor. We also offer low-rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us at masttractor.com.